guys, I hope this is working. This is a new microphone, so I really do hope this works and I sound very clear. So I'm going to be showing you this awesome anti-spam plugin for WordPress. It's called WP Armour, and I'm going to show you how to install it. It's pretty simple, so easy a caveman could do it.
Bruh.
Alright, so I have this website right here. We're going to click WP Forms just to show you, like, I'm getting these entries, right? And I don't know if they're spam or what. See, it's just like really like spam emails. People using my contact form for spam. The annoyance in that is saved. When you go to plugins, add plugins, search WP. Alright, it'll be this one by this person. It is a HoneyPot anti-spam. Click install. Once it says installed, click activate. Alright, plugin activated. We love those green bars at the top. What you want to do is hit WP Armour down here. This you don't really want to mess with. It just tells you the HoneyPot field name. You can leave all of these where they are. Hit statistics, and then this will populate whenever it is being used. There's like bots attacking your, so if there's like bots attacking your WP login page, or if there are crawlers that are using contact forms and filling them out and sending them to you, it will detect all that, and you shouldn't see that much spam anymore. If this video helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace.